The progress so far. This is 500 pieces and we've been doing this for days. 4 days. Days.
Hello sa lahat ng mga batch ng Kaloka Life.
Nawala na sa paa na ako, Bio. Look at that rain cloud. It looks like it's going to rain. It hasn't rained yet. I want it to rain so it won't be so humid right now. So that's the rain clouds. Look, very dark. I want it to rain. Look how thick that cloud is. It's kind of windy. It's still very hot. Clear here, but it's cloudy on the other side. Okay, here's another update. Still a long way to go. Wow, we're doing our puzzles out here. Jigsaw puzzle. And here's the weather. It's nice and windy. Fresh air, and we can have some coconut, but no one can climb. Look at those coconuts. Here it is so far. Still a long ways to go, but we're getting there. Hey, more people. Still, here's the progress. Days later, still 500 pieces. Almost there. Look at that, it's forming. But look at all the pieces still. More people helping now, trying to get this finished. And we're still here.
No flowers
Somebody is using a
Magnifying.
magnifying glass because they can't see.
I don't know who that would be.
We're all what do you call that? We all want to get these done. Everybody's motivated to get this done. I don't know. We've been doing this for days. We finished one. That was 200 pieces. Now this is 500. And that's 1 out of 6 that we completed. This is the 2 in progress. And we have 4 more puzzles, jigsaw puzzles to do. Doing puzzles. It's almost there, and right now it is raining. I think you can hear the rain. I wanted it to rain during the day, but no. Raining hard. And here's still our puzzle. And it is raining. Raining. Does that mean that the bugs are gone because it's raining? It's gonna be more bugs. Oh look, there's a water stop.
Not the thunder, the lightning. Nobody ever got hurt. I hope it's not raining when we're swimming it off in there, because then we'll get wet.
Almost done. Good job, guys. Good progress. A few more. Getting harder. The grasshopper is. Oh, almost done. A few more pieces. It's getting